Hey everybody, this is John here, and if you're new to the channel, there is me, and we've got Francis, and we are a full-time reselling superhero duo couple that sells stuff on eBay and like Bonanza and even Macari every once in a while. And today we're going to show you some of the really cool stuff that we sold on eBay, and we sold some really neat stuff. So we're going to jump right into this, and we're going to ask Francis over here behind the camera, what was the first item that we sold, Francis?
We have a Louisville Slugger mint.
We're going to find that, and we'll be right back, and we're going to show it to you. Okay there, pretty lady. Is this the glove that we sold?
Yeah.
We sold this nice Louisville Slugger glove. Baseball gloves are good money. I love finding them. How much did it sell for?
$25 plus shipping.
Not too bad. Okay, Francis. What do we sell here?
Some CDs.
What's the name of that band? It's a weird band name.
Was, not was.
Was, not was. So there's like, what, 4 CDs here?
Yeah.
Once again, me going crazy with the cellophane machine.
Yeah.
How much do they sell for?
$22.45 plus shipping.
I'll take that. That's like $5 a piece if my math's right. Okay, Francis, we got one of your favorite items to list. And we all know how much Francis loves listing big items. And right over here, on the very bottom shelf, is that big Dutch oven.
Oh my gosh.
It is big, but that is huge. That's bigger than you are. That's it. Are you excited?
No.
How much did it sell for?
$90 plus shipping, I think.
I paid $30 for it, so that's still pretty good. I know, it's big, but it's metal. It ain't like it's gonna get broke. I say that, knock on, that's our hand-carved wiener. It does look like a wiener. It's a mushroom, though. It's a mushroom. I tell myself every time I see it, that's a mushroom. But we sold that for $90 plus shipping. Not too bad. Give me a high five. Okay. Okay, Francis, we had a customer buy like 5 things yesterday. Just give us a quick overview. We sold like, what, 3 bottles?
3 soda bottles, a hat, and a CD.
And how much was the total?
$37 plus shipping.
That's not bad at all, especially because most of that stuff we didn't have a ton in. Like, we probably had less than $7 in all of that stuff, I bet you, easily. So, it was already packaged, right, Francis?
Yeah, we had to package it to get him a combined shipping invoice, so I've actually already got it at home, ready to go.
Yes.
Except for shipping label. My
beautiful wife wanted to make sure that all you guys out there understood that, because if not, it would seem kind of weird, but that's why. It's already packaged at home. Thank you very much. Francis is on the search for a, over there on the search for a knob. And I'm searching for something that's in this tote. Somewhere in this tote. I'm going to find it and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, these are the next 2 items that we sold. This is a leather drafting set. That's pretty cool. And that's what it looks like. And then a little black knob. How much did the knob sell for?
It sold for $9 plus shipping.
Sweet.
And this sold for $9 plus shipping.
$20 for the pair. Okay, the next item that we have here, I think is this. This is a chrome percolator. It isn't the best shape, but they sell really good. I love them. This is it. Is that the right number?
I was gonna see.
Is that the right numbers?
Yes.
Okay.
$44.60.
There we go. And it sold for how much?
$22 plus shipping.
Not bad at all. Especially I think I paid $1 or $2 for it because it was in kind of bad shape. But if you find these percolators complete, they sell for good money. Okay, I'm gonna need your help here, Francis. I think we have all of these die-cast cars. I have some video that I shot of all of this, and I am probably going to maybe put it either at the end or the beginning of this video, or just in a separate video all to itself. But you've already seen all of these if you did. And this is the Toyota Land Cruiser. It's really rare, a really rare diecast. I've never seen one before. 1992, and sold for $45 plus a glob of shipping on top of that bad boy. So I think I paid $7 for it at the auction. That was definitely a good find. Right, Francis?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, we've got the star of the show, Francis Michael Montgomery here. And we have sold something out of the illustrious Rail King box. And it was the Transformer. And you might want to grab that piece of paper there. And I love that everything just fits in there so perfectly. Put that right there with it. And Francis is going to close up the box. Yep. The curtain has called. And how much did that sell for?
$36 plus shipping.
I think that's what we paid for everything. That was a good deal. That was a good buy. Don't you just love those good buys like that? Not good buys, like see you later, but good buys. A lot of profit. Mm-hmm. This is from the last video, the video that I did about us losing our top-rated seller status on the GSP. Midwest Picker said, happened to me when I put my eBay store on time away for 6 months. Took me about 2 months to get it back now. They are top rated plus. That's awesome. We're just top rated. We don't offer 1-day handling time. We do 2-day handling time just to give us more time, to give my beautiful wife more time so that we can get this stuff packaged and shipped, so we're never too stressed about it. Bama Dad said, same thing happened to me. I'm also thinking about just removing GSP altogether. You know, I keep thinking about it. I haven't done it yet, but it's definitely something that I might do. Jeannie R. Hey, Jeannie, how you doing? It says, more fees, what a surprise. Exactly. eBay doesn't do anything. I don't think they can make a decision that doesn't result in, you know, more fees. Just Me Kathy, I love you. You're so awesome. She's got an awesome channel. If you don't watch her, she does a lot of dumpster diving. Find some amazing stuff. It says, Megan is beautiful. Just because a woman is attractive, it doesn't give anyone the right to DM her and act that way. I'm sorry y'all had to deal with that. Great sales. Y'all take care and have a groovy weekend. Thank you, Kathy, and my wife appreciates that. And yeah, creepy guys, stay out of women's DMs, especially if they're married. But even if you are creepy, I'm pretty creepy. I shot my shot with her, and I got Francis. So, you know, hey, maybe you can message women, but just make sure they're not married, because that's bad. Of course, always, John Jones has something funny to say. He says, you didn't ask, but I'm going to stick my nose in anyway. I would have added a sheet of cardboard on top being closed. Closing up that box, decent chance the dude opening it will slice through it. On the hat, oh, and if I wasn't a gentleman, I'd tell you your wife is really, really easy on the eyes. Just saying. Hear that, Megan? She said she heard that. And she says, thank you, John. She appreciates that. And you're right. We should probably add a piece of cardboard on top of, like, items that when you would cut through the box that, yeah, it's smart. Thank you. We will try to think about that in the future. Magneto once again says, well, your wife is pretty awesome. I think so too. And of course, we've got Sasquatch here. I love Minnesota Sasquatch. Says, your wife is very beautiful and you are a lucky man. Thank you very much, sir. But to DM her and ask her out, that's a definite no-no. eBay doesn't care about sellers as much as they used to. I would just quit selling GSP if I were you. Good advice. Everyone seems to be on the same page as that. And I love eBay, but eBay, if you ever watch my videos, you know, we need some love. Show some love, do some stuff for us. But that was just some questions that were asked, and I hope you guys like that. Something I thought I might do. A lot of you guys watch my videos. You're very relentless about commenting, and I love that. I love the comments that you guys leave on my videos. It means a lot. It actually helps with engagement. And when you just write, thanks for the video, just thank you for the video, it really does help out a bunch, because YouTube sees that as interaction, and next thing you know, I'm a superstar with all this money, and I'm like rich, and we're doing crazy stuff on this YouTube channel, like buying like amazing stuff, and that's what we want to do. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day. Keep on digging, keep on picking, and as always, remember, family that picks together sticks together. God bless you guys.